Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and intent. Charge the controller to a usable level, then power the switch and open the home menu. Once done, choose whether you'll use a Pro controller or Joy-Con attached to the rail. This changes the pairing method. Press the sync button on the controller or detach Joy-Con to enable pairing mode. Keep the console within 1-2 meters to avoid interference. This helps the switch discover the controller quickly and reduces pairing errors while you start the connection. Now pair and refine input. Go to controllers, then change grip/order to register a wireless controller. Press the controller's sync button until LEDs flash and the switch confirms. After pairing, calibrate analog sticks under System Settings, Controllers, and Sensors so inputs are accurate. Follow on-screen prompts and move sticks fully. Make sure controller firmware is up to date in the same menu. Updates fix drift and connection stability. If vibrations feel off, adjust HD rumble or turn it off for better battery life. Finish by testing every button and stick in a quick game or the controller's menu. This verifies button mapping, vibration, and wireless range. If a button feels wrong, remap it under Accessibility Button Mapping, then save your profile. Make sure the controller is charged and reconnect if latency appears. Troubleshooting tip: if the controller won't connect, power cycle the switch, hold sync to repair. And as a last resort, remove the controller from Bluetooth devices and perform a factory reset of the controller. This resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.